Hi friends, I am CL Pawar, physics teacher. Current electricity. This topic we have started. In that topic, we have seen potentiometer. Use of potentiometer. First use we have discussed in last period, that is determination of EMF or comparison of EMF of cell. Now second use to find internal resistance of a cell. Now what is internal resistance? The resistance offered by electrolyte when current flows through it, that is internal resistance. Two types of resistances, external and internal. Solution has internal resistance and we have to determine that internal resistance by using this potentiometer. Now in this potentiometer there is uniform wire about several meter in length. This length is fixed on wooden board between A and B. The battery having large EMF is connected in between A and B through plug key K1 and rheostat RH. That battery is, say, yes. Now the cell whose internal resistance is to be determined is connected such that its positive terminal is at A and negative terminal to the galvanometer. Second terminal of galvanometer connected to the jockey which can slide on the wire. The resistance box and another plug key K2 are connected across the cell whose internal resistance is to be determined. Now this is the apparatus. Now working. Current is passed through the circuit. Now there are two keys. First, K1 closed and K2 kept open. K2 is open. Jockey is touched at different points on the wire, and point of contact P is obtained so that there is no current in the galvanometer. The P is null point. The distance between A and P, say L1. Now in this case, the EMF of cell E is balanced on the wire A to P. Therefore, E is equal to K L1, equation number 1, where K is potential gradient. Potential gradient, that is fall of potential per unit length, which is constant. Now again, K1 and K2 both are closed and some resistance R is taken from resistance box. Again, jockey is touched on the wire at different points, and point of contact for which galvanometer shows null deflection is found. When deflection is null, the length between that null point to the common point A, say L2. But in this case, this circuit, above circuit is closed. That means some current is flowing through this cell. And when current flows through the cell, then we measure terminal potential difference, not EMF. So here, this terminal potential difference V is equal to K into L2, equation number 2, where K is potential gradient. Now divide equation 1 by 2, we get E divided by V is equal to L1 by L2, say equation number 3. Now we consider this closed loop formed by cell, resistor box and key K2. This is closed circuit. And in that closed circuit, EMF E is equal to IR plus I small r, equation number 4. The small r is internal resistance of cell. This is from Ohm's law. But the potential difference across the resistance, that is V is equal to IR. This is equation 5. Now divide equation 4 by 5, we get E divided by V is equal to R plus small r divided by capital R, that is equation number 6. Now in this case, equation number 3 is EMF divided by potential difference. Again, equation number 6 also EMF divided by potential difference. From these two equations 3 and 6, left side is same, therefore right side is also same. Then we get R plus R divided by capital R is equal to L1 by L2. We have to calculate internal resistance, that means small r. By adjusting this equation, small r is equal to capital R bracket L1 minus L2 divided by L2. Small r internal resistance, capital R resistance external, that is taken from the resistance box, which is known. L1 first balancing length when K1 close, K2 open. L2 second balancing length when K1 and K2 are closed. By knowing all the quantities, we can determine the internal resistance of cell. अशा प्रकारे हा दुसरा यूज पोटेन्शियोमीटरचा की ज्याच्या सहाय्याने सेलचा इंटरनल रेजिस्टन्स काढता येतो. इंटरनल रेजिस्टन्स दुसऱ्या मेथडने काढता येत नाही. ही पोटेन्शियोमीटर जो आहे त्या पोटेन्शियोमीटरच्या सहाय्यानेच त्या सेलचा इंटरनल रेजिस्टन्स काढता येतो. मग अशा प्रकारे इंटरनल रेजिस्टन्स आपण त्या सेलचा काढू शकतो. याच्यामध्ये असंही फॉर्म्युला आपल्याला त्या ठिकाणी घेता येईल. R बरोबर R ब्रॅकेट L1 divided by L2 minus 1. This is also internal resistance. Or we can write this is also R is equal to capital R E divided by V minus 1. From this equation also we calculate internal resistance. So these are different forms for calculating internal resistance of cell.